Hello dear students, in today's lecture we will study system buffer cache mechanism. A system buffer cache is a mechanism where an operating system stores frequently accessed data from a slow storage device like a hard disk to a faster storage area in main memory RAM. For simple explanation, we can say we are reading a 500 pages book, and inside this book we have two important topics in page 50 and page 155. So if we open the book from page 1 and start finding those pages from page 1, page 2, page 3, it will take much more time, it will consume more time. But if we once have found those pages 50 and 155 and fold those pages, or we have put a pen or pencil inside those pages, inside 50 and 51, inside 155 and 156, it will be very easier for us and very faster for us to find out those important pages, those important topics. Similarly, it's like storing those frequent data in a faster storage area in main memory or RAM, because the hard disk is like our 500 pages book. Hard disk contains each and every data, but it's a slow storage device because it's like finding the pages one by one. But if we store those data, frequently accessed data, in a faster area in main memory in buffer cache. Buffer cache is a storage area in main memory or random access memory. It will be like marking those pages by folding them or putting a pen or pencil inside them. So it will be very convenient for us or very faster for us to find out those pages. Similarly, this mechanism works, system buffer cache. Now, when an application needs data, the system first checks the buffer cache. So it's like whenever I'm reading for my final exam, I need the important topic in page 50. First I will open and try to find out if it's folded or not. So if it's folded, if it is found, it's served from the memory, which is much faster than accessing the disk. But if it is not found, the system fetches the data from disk, places it in the cache for future use, and then provides it to the application, which speeds up the input-output operations and improves overall system performance in a significant manner. So it's like when before my exam I have less time, but I forgot to fold the page 50 of important topic or page 155. So if I have folded already previously, so it will be easier for me to find out very faster or convenient. But if I have already forgotten, I will try to find out one by one. I will reach page 50 and then I will now mark or now fold this page, so that in future use 1 hour before the exam it will be easy for me to find out. Similarly, if it's not already in the cache, the system fetches the data from the disk, places it in the cache for future use, and then provides it to the application. Thank you.